Okay, welcome everyone. Hello, welcome to another trading day. Just need to make sure everything is set up. So yesterday was an update on the trade that we did yesterday. This is yesterday. 5 minutes. I need to make it smaller so that I can figure out where it was. Oh, this is gold. Here. Okay. So this is where we entered with the stop loss over here. The entry was right over here, and so when it hit the entry, as you can see, it immediately, like in 3 consecutive, give me 1 second. Oh yeah, 3 consecutive candles, it gave us the TP1. But in order to give TP2, it waited and waited and waited until Trump started speaking at this time, or here where he started speaking. So right before he started speaking, the market went up, and then it hit that entry level one more time. Then in 2 candles, boom, TP hit. Because a lot of people had their buys or TPs over here, bounced back up, but then it hit some more sells, went back, and because of all the trash that he was saying, went all the way down to, I think it was 1 point something%. So it went down to TP6. Remember yesterday I was saying that it is highly probable that for the price to go down to TP7. See exactly TP7, and TP8 was not hit, so TP8 should be around here. Exactly TP7 was hit, and then it bounced back up this morning, and so I could have left my trade open and put my TPs at 7, but that's not what my strategy is. And right now, as you can see again, there's a huge spike, broke above that. It's kind of consolidating right now, resting a little bit, and waiting for a move. I cannot see a good move. These days are a little bit tricky. So I'll have to wait to see a good move happening. We can see here that this has been broken. This kind of triangle here is broken, and it gave it a pullback over here. A lot of people entered over here with stops over there, and then it is possible to go down. And if it does go down, the first level of support was over here, right at the end of this 5-minute candle. Second level of support is over here at the end of this level, or in the middle of the wick even. So there is a high chance for the price to go down all the way to here and then go up. And we can see a huge gap over here as well. So there is another trend that was broken here. And then with this candle, then bounced back over there. So now there is, again, as I said, a chance of it going down. So one possibility of a trade is this, with the stops over there, and then, oh, okay. So right now TP2 has already hit, sorry, TP2 no, I mean second entry has already been hit, and TP1 is over here. So if I had been in this trade, if I've been here a little bit earlier, I would have entered, but now I'll just wait. I'll enter one more time. Another problem is that it's giving us higher lows as well. So that's an issue as well. So let's wait. Let's wait for another 10 to 15 minutes to see if there is a candle, or there are some candles which are giving us a gap towards upside or towards the downside, and then we'll decide whether we want to take a sell or buy. The sells are looking okay, because if it hits TP1 and goes back up, that's something that usually happens in the market. It takes the low and then collects all the stop losses of those people who put their stops here, and then goes up. It could also go to TP2, which is a kind of a pullback to this zone. So it does make sense. It also makes sense for it to go up. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Okay, 1 hour chart shows that it could not break that high, so it's probably going down again. Yeah. Okay. But the prices are still right a little bit above my entry, so I am going to enter a sell right over here before it goes down too much. Okay, good. I'll also put, so my entry was actually over here, but I'm lucky. I took it over here, right in the middle of, almost in the middle. I'm putting another entry over here at the second entry with double the size of this one, but the percentage is the same. So it's 1% over there, 1% risk over here. Hopefully I gain, hopefully it will activate this and go down, then I will be gaining 4%. If it does not, okay. This goes over here, TP, this would be TP3 of that trade, and this is TP 1.5 probably of this one, so that would be more than 4%. Okay, it's going up. I hope it doesn't make it there. Seems that it's going to take the stops, but it doesn't matter. I have to accept that some days it's stopped. I'll move the stops a couple of pips up, just to be on the safe side. That's going down here. I have a high, I have a feeling that there's a high possibility that it goes up and takes my star, but makes it a quick trade. Let's play some music. Change the mood. Let's listen to Forest Symphony.